A friend has asked the question about her childhood. She said that her childhood was very bad, and because of separation of her parents, she was always in trauma because they were always fighting, and it has a very deep impact on her life. What should she do now? Because whenever she try to do something, it always there, and it's always make complication in her life, because then she has this trauma appearing all the time. She's not happy with her career also. So what is my opinion on that? I know it's very hard that to have a situation like this, because childhood is a foundation of our life, and if in our childhood we have faced this kind of situation, it's very hard. It's very hard and very difficult to actually understand life, to live life, and to nourish life. Because when you were like a seed, the right things were not given to the seed. A seed need protection, water, proper sun, proper fertilization, and all the things which is required to blossom and to become a flower. So I know you were having a very bad time. You cannot change that. That was not in your hand. That was like your parents, and that is somehow existential planning for you. But what you can do now, you can change your present, you can change your future. If you can change your present, of course your future will be very good, and you can be very happy. To change your present, first of all, try to change your psychology for life. If you see, life is always changing. When you were a child, then you start growing, and things started happening. So you are no more a child. So first, try to understand that life is always changing. Now you have come at this point. From here, at least you can see that your childhood was bad. You have that trauma, and that's a very beautiful sign that you have grown. You have come to a point from where you can see the trauma of your childhood, and something inside you want to work on that trauma. Isn't it beautiful? This is very beautiful. So try to work on that trauma. First of all, try with some exercises. I want to tell you a few exercises over here in this video. What you can do for couple of weeks, I can say probably you can try for 3 weeks. Just lock yourself in a room for 10 to 15 minutes, and try to express your feelings through your hands and through your jaw, face, and all that. So try to release like this. Yeah, 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 oh, whatever it is coming, try to practice it. It's a very good emotion releasing exercise. I'm telling it to you, if you practice this exercise for 21 days, you will see most of your trauma has gone out of your body. So start from here, start releasing your emotions. Second thing you can do, you can cry. You can actually remind those moments. You can remember those moments when you were struggling in your childhood with your parents. Just remember those bad moments and cry. Cry as much as you can. Don't think that someone will see, or you will cry and you may think that you are weak. No, it has nothing to do with weakness. Just remember those moments and cry. Try to release your all tears, all of your fears, all of your emotions through this cry through these tears. Initially, you may not cry because you have made yourself strong. You are showing to people that you are strong. You may pretend that, oh, I am a good girl, I don't have to cry. Or anyone can think that he is strong, she is strong, and they usually don't cry. They don't want to show that they are weak. No, this has nothing to do with weakness or strength. No, you have to work on your body, on your mind, to release all the emotions. So it may be tough initially, but don't give up. Try to cry as much as you can. This will really help you to cleanse your internal things, cleanse your those traumas. So try to cry, try to release your emotions like this, and then try to open your heart. I know when this kind of traumas happen with us in our childhood, it makes us very rigid. It makes us very tough from inside, and we close ourselves in our own being. We don't open to anyone. We don't want to share with anyone. We don't want to say anything to anyone. We just keep on everything with us, and then we become very possessive of each thing. Then we become like in our own cocoon only. We forget how to share. We forget to share our soul. And what does that mean, sharing our soul? It means we forget, like we can say, share some money, we can share some food, we can share some feeling with someone, we can share um, like any knowledge and information. So this kind of traumas, they makes us very very hard, very rigid from inside. So try to do that exercise, try to cry, and then start trying to open your heart, your soul. Start sharing something with people. Give some smile. Sometime you go to your office and you see someone like sitting alone, just smile. And sometime you also can do smile to like unknown people, and you will see life is very beautiful. And when you smile, it means you are sharing something from your soul, from your own being. And when it will start happening, you will see that life is very beautiful. I know initially it is very hard to do all this, and it's very hard to say actually and do it. So I know practically it's hard, but if you trust in yourself, because you are in a process, and at least you could understand the process. It is such a great thing to understand. It is such a great thing to actually realize that you have this thing. Most of time people don't share it, and they keep on living their life in this way. So it's very complicated for most of people, but I'm very happy that you could actually understand this. So I'm very happy. Start doing this. We will again work, and if you still have any question, you can always ask here. I'm always here. And yeah, live your life happily. I'm always here. If you have any problem, you can ask. I will try to help from my side in the best possible way. So stay happy. Sending you so much love. Namaste.